Jada Kingdom finds her happy place. TeeJay is no longer a part of Team Romeich and Spice teases her road manager, Adrian.
I like how you suck out of something a while ago. Why Jamaican man stay so?
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now people have some stories lined up for now and we're going to get straight into them, right? So first we're going to talk about Jada Kingdom. So, you know what I mean, Jada Kingdom, we don't know the situation already. She can't release no music and all of that. She still a work out that. But however, she have some remix on the road and one of them seem to be doing very well. I'm going to talk about Feelings featuring Diani, or Diani featuring her, because it's a remix. Sorry, I should have said a Diani song, right? So, people, Mr. Jada, that post here kind of from Wadi, but me like what she has said, so I feel like I still will share it with her, because a lot of people still might not see this. But Jada says she take things, you know what I mean, day by day. She try to preserve her happiness, and she's trying to live her best life. So I have a little video I'm going to show you with Jada. So take a listen to what she have to say. Here goes.
Me run things. I'm going to have a good, actually a splendid fucking year. I'm going to take it day by day. And I pressure myself and, you know, just one step at a time. One step at a time. I be a boom flick, me start boom flick a day time. Excitement. Hello. Be a fuckery. Enjoy life. Yesterday I just go to do this go walk. I never do so treated pretty. You know, you take some time and just easy back and go and take in, you know, life and the earth and everything. I so treated pretty. I hug some tree. I feel good. I'm happy.
Yeah, people, some love what Jada does say, you know what I mean? It's always good to hear those kind of words coming from her, because we know that she have her times and her episode, and it's not just her, people. Right now, we live in a time where a lot of people have mental problems, and them have to do what them have to do for balance out things. You see me, and everybody's strong like the other person. So, however you do it for keep your thing intact and keep yourself together, where you have to go hug tree like Jada, watch some YouTube video, you know what I mean? Listen to meditation music. We do have those options as well. But next, people want to talk about Romeich and TeeJay. So now it's been rumored for a while that TeeJay is no longer a part of Romeich Entertainment, right? And me don't say nothing because, like me say, rumor, but now we start see it published in a newspaper. However, I don't know which newspaper this, but me just like read a part of it and telling you what it said. So it said, fans are speculating that TeeJay has broken away from Romeich Entertainment Management and has set out on his own. While neither Romeich Manger nor TeeJay has officially confirmed the news, the rumor still has been swirling for days, as each seems to not have content with each other for at least a month now. So, like I said, people, it's been a going for a while. A long time people are talking and I say something don't look right, you know what I mean? Then I say TeeJay and Romeich. One time TeeJay did their hospital, Romeich never send out no liquor, you know what I mean, get well or nothing. Nobody from the team them say. These are the things that people are saying in the comments, you know, people. So, and I like me, this is not my opinion, okay? So, a lot of that talk, but no, it's kind of obvious. You see me just see TeeJay shoot a music video, so we know that TeeJay still at work and are doing thing. Now, people, for me, I think it was a great thing with TeeJay and Romeich. Even though it end up like this, two of them still benefit, if you don't understand what I say, because we never know say it even possible for artists like TeeJay for, you know, camp up with Romeich, because, you know, Romeich have Shensia and Ding Dong before TeeJay, and them are two different artists from TeeJay. If you don't get what I say, TeeJay are more for the streets, would I say, although on that alone incapable of, so don't get me wrong, but we understand, say, you know, Shensia and Ding Dong, them more corporate savvy. If you don't understand what I say, they're more fitting with the corporate world and that Romeich kind of about. And that's another thing that people are talking and say because Romeich nah put enough effort in a TeeJay career as he might do with Shensi and Ding Dong. They might get all these endorsement deal. They might ambassador for a lot of here and there. You know what I mean? Well, a company and TeeJay no get none of that. Now people, like I said, this is not my opinion. So these are the things that you will find on any platform where you see this post. Them things people are say. Just speculation by the general public, right? However, what I can tell enough about where is facts, and it's factual, because if you're looking at TeeJay by your Solid Agency is new. You can book him through Solid Agency from what I understand, right? So them I deal with film bookings and business. But TeeJay they're on tour right now, right? So people, that's what it is. Now we are going to move on. Let's talk about Spice. So if you don't know about Spice and our road manager, Adrian, you're missing out because Spice always about Adrian. And the first time I see it was when Spice in the studio and I tell him, say, she need a man in her music video. She need a big, thick muscle man. And he must go find somebody if you put in the music video. And the man say not upon that. You see me? And then she talk about the two of them got gas station and the pump start leak and gas a flow everywhere. And Adrian run the fire. Right? But now it happen again. Spice take him on one more time. I may have the video for sure. So take a look at this. Here goes.
Adrian, big up yourself, my nice clean friend. I love you like life. I like how you suck out of something a while ago. Why Jamaican man stay so? Why we can't run no joke when we say you never did just eat the something a while ago.
Yeah, the muscles that I eat.
So me can't say me like you just suck out the muscles. Why me can't say that?
Yeah, we can't say what we not do.
But you suck the muscles. So why me can't just say me like how you did that suck out the muscles and I big up the restaurant? Why me can't say that?
Live with the pants by the cancer.
Oh, so in the half life me can say it.
No, I'm just kidding.
Why Jamaican man stay so? That would I like no. Why Jamaican man stay so?
I'm Jamaican, I'm in Washington.
You're Jamaican.
No muscle.
Hey, John, you never did keep the energy the way you eat the muscles earlier, you know?
Why do I know muscles though?
You know my phone like that with Good day, I'm done. Walk on. How would this? The great bomb in the building. Anyway, I just say, Adrian, I love you and everything. Big up yourself, my nice, clean friend. Richie feelings, me know say you vexed you in a day I will do it today. But the next day I catch you. They say, where is this place? It's at 20 Eastwood Park Road. Right at the back part of Twin Gates Plaza. So you can take it from Eastwood Park Road right there, so behind Brooklyn Supermarket. The sauce bad, the crab bad, everything bad. Me not lie. You know, them say me follow you.
Oh God, man, them see it, man.
I just say big up and say me love you. That's all I say, Adrian, big up yourself, me love you. And me like when you eat the fish.
You never said that.
You eat the fish, though?
Muscle.
I went Frankie there, I long to see Frankie, may I come look for you?
I'm there.
Big up my friend Adrian. My best friend this way, apart from Richie feelings. Anytime when I hear say one more somebody stab me in my back, I go beat him.
See blood clot Nigeria.
Remember say Adrian in a friend's video and after me take him up off of the roadside, remember say him get the girl something and turn around poison me. Remember? I remember me know him as an actor, so me have to watch him and see. I never act him and act. We take everything serious. Them nowadays we have to take everything serious because I know him as an actor, so I never act him and act. Guys, go down there, 10 million views. I'm so happy. Go down there, still I'm trending.
Trending God.
Whoa.
Trending God.
Whoa. We're still on trending. Adrian, why you run left Spice? When the gas When I buy gas, him run left me in the people them.
I apologize for the video not syncing up with the audio, but me try my best and I just couldn't fix it. Me only make it worse, so that's what me they have to work with still. But people, Adrian supposed to know by now, so Spice always and always I go take a shot at him when time she get the opportunity. You see what I say? So him get used to it by now. Now people more have to know what to think about this video. Get in the comment section. Tell me what you think about what Jada Kingdom say, Romeich and TeeJay, and also Spice and Adrian, right? So other than that, thank you for watching. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody big up on yourselves. Stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me, that's an IG, rich, punk, should know, 10 to blacks, yaddy!